MyMarkets. Meet the needs of consumers at the speed of now. For a business to differentiate itself, being digital is no longer enough. Success will be based on mastering a new set of technologies to deliver personalized realities and experiences in a moment. No opportunity is too small or too fleeting. Mastering momentary markets will be both an art and a science. The art lies in picking the opportunities that will be welcomed by consumers. The science is in building a company that creates context-aware, customized products and services and delivers on demand. Identifying moments of opportunity is just the first step. The next is being able to compete for those moments when they come. Your competition may be on its way to unlocking momentary markets. Is your business ready for what's next?